Optum Care Cancer Care, the sponsors of this next segment, continue to spread awareness for breast cancer this month. I spoke with a doctor and the American Cancer Society to learn more about how they're making a stride. Check it out.
So it is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So we're spreading awareness, but also just reminding women women and men, I should say, of how to take care of themselves during this time. Let's start with you, Dr. Gollard. Can you just tell us, what are the challenges of breast cancer for women in particular?
Oh, absolutely. Thank you very much. It's good to be here. This is a very, very important issue for women. Not counting some types of skin cancer, breast cancer in the U.S. is the most common cancer in women, no matter your race or your background. It's the most common cause of death from cancer amongst Hispanic women. And it's the second most common cause of death amongst white, Black, Asian, Pacific Islander, and Native American women.
And what are some of the important physical signs that these women should be looking out for?
Well, it's important to keep up with your breast health and to know what changes to look for. A lump in your breast is the most common symptom. Swelling in and around your breast, collarbone, or armpit are also important. If the skin of your breast starts to feel like an orange peel or gets red, that's also important. Breast warmth and itching, changes in a nipple or discharge, and new pain in one area of the breast. Although most breast cancers do not cause pain, some do. So if you notice anything out of the ordinary or any change, I think one should not delay in seeing one's healthcare provider.
Now, Angela, let's bring you in. You're the executive director of the American Cancer Society here in Nevada. What efforts are you guys putting forward, to help prevent breast cancer?
The American Cancer Society helps people with breast cancer in every community. We work tirelessly to find new drugs and treatments, as well as new ways to use existing treatments. To date, the American Cancer Society has funded over $71 million in breast cancer research, and we play a role in many of the prevention, screening, and treatment advances that save lives from breast cancer every day.
Well, and one of those programs is Reach to Recovery. Can you explain how that supports these efforts?
So it is a volunteer support program, and it pairs breast cancer patients with breast cancer survivors, and it allows them the opportunity to express feelings, talk about concerns, and ask questions of someone who has been there and made it through their treatment plan.
Wow, that's such an important program to have available. How can people help? You mentioned volunteers.
I did. So we encourage both donations and volunteering and taking part in our events. Coming up on Sunday, October 30th from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m., we're holding our Making Strides Against Breast Cancer Walk of Las Vegas, which happens at Red Rock Casino. Has always been more than a walk. It's a movement, and we make it easier for anyone, anywhere to make an impact.
Thank you to Optum Care Cancer Care for sponsoring this segment. Call 702-724-8787 or visit optumcancer.com for